Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have iCloud Plus and are signed into your Apple ID on the device you'll use. Once signed in, go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and Verify Mail and Hide My Email are enabled. This ensures relay aliases can be created and routed. If you plan to check on a Mac, confirm the same Apple ID is active in system settings. This prevents alias mismatches and immediate routing failures when you proceed. Once done, locate your relay addresses, open Settings or System Settings, navigate to Hide My Email, and review each alias. You'll see the relay address, which app or website requested it, the creation date, and whether it's active or disabled. Make sure the alias shown matches what the sender used, otherwise messages won't arrive. If you need more detail, view the alias in iCloud. Under Account Settings. Knowing the linked app helps you trace where the email originated. The final step is a practical test. Send an email to the relay address and watch for delivery in your regular inbox. If you don't see it, check spam and any mail rules first, then confirm iCloud storage isn't full. A full account can block deliveries. If problems persist, disable and re-enable the alias or sign out and back into your Apple ID to reset routing. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify the sender used the exact relay address shown in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.